Top 5 Blueberry Benefits for Skin. Blueberries are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, which are all great for your skin. Blueberries can be used in various ways to help keep your skin healthy and looking young. Here are 5 blueberry benefits for skin that you should try out today. 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that works to eliminate free radicals from your body. As antioxidants help combat inflammation, they can help keep skin hydrated and elastic, thus reducing wrinkles. The vitamin also plays a role in collagen production. Collagen keeps skin plump and hydrated, so it's no surprise that vitamin C may be one of the keys to reducing wrinkles. Fiber. Dietary fiber can be found in plant-based foods and helps with digestion. It also helps regulate cholesterol levels, which can reduce inflammatory responses throughout your body and keep pores clear. This will reduce oil buildup on your face. If you want smooth skin, aim for 25 grams of fiber per day. 2. Fiber. All berries, including blueberries, are packed with fiber. A diet rich in fiber helps keep you fuller longer and therefore less likely to overindulge in unhealthful foods. Fiber also plays a major role in preventing heart disease, diabetes and other ailments that can lead to obesity. If your goal is to lose weight, then adding more berries to your daily diet could be a healthy decision if you eat smart throughout the rest of your day. Although blueberries alone won't make much of a difference if you're not watching how many calories you consume throughout your day. 3. Antioxidants. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, which can cause damage to cells and lead to premature aging. By loading up on antioxidants, you can protect your skin against signs of aging and also keep your skin healthy by improving its elasticity. Antioxidants found in blueberries include vitamin C, carotenoids, and anthocyanins. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that helps support collagen production, meaning it is great for maintaining healthy skin cells. Carotenoids work together with vitamin C to protect cell membranes from damage, while anthocyanins work as antioxidants that reduce inflammation in tissues. 4. Improves brain function. Like red wine, blueberries contain powerful antioxidants called flavonoids that protect your brain cells from aging and diseases like Alzheimer's. Studies have shown that diets rich in flavonoids can improve memory and boost problem-solving skills by enhancing blood flow to the brain. Eat up. 1 cup of fresh blueberries has about 75 milligrams of anthocyanin, one of 3 flavonoid compounds found in berries, which is enough to increase blood flow and cognitive performance in healthy adults. 5. Reduces inflammation. One of many health benefits of blueberries is that they can help reduce inflammation, which makes them beneficial in fighting signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. A study published in a 2003 issue of Food Chemistry suggests that purple-fleshed berries, like blueberries, are potent antioxidants thanks to anthocyanins, compounds that scavenge free radicals. Free radicals cause oxidation damage to skin cells and lipids, resulting in premature aging and wrinkles. Anthocyanins combat these damaging particles by targeting them with their powerful antioxidant activity.